All right, today we're going to look at interquartile range. We've kind of looked at this a little bit with box plots. We're going to actually figure out how to find an interquartile range just from a set of numbers. But just as a little reminder, the interquartile range is the range of the first and third quartile. So really, we said we were going to subtract the third quartile minus the first one, or AKA the two edges of the box. So if I look at my very first example here, I've got a set of numbers. The way that we're going to find the interquartile range of these is we're going to do the median, median, median. That might not make much sense right at the beginning. We're finding the median 3 times. We're finding 3 different medians. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an example, and that should make sense. Is we're going to order these numbers least to greatest. So I have 8, 9, 9, 12, 13, 14, and 17. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm going to find the just regular old median. So if I'm crossing these off one at a time, I can see right here in the middle is my median. I'm going to put a line through that number. So there's my median is 12. I'm going to do the same thing again, but I'm going to find the other 2 medians on the other side. So of this set of numbers over here, I have 3 numbers. I'm going to find the median of those 3. So if I cross these off, then I only have 1 number left in the middle over there. If I do the same thing on this other side, it makes it a little easier sometimes if you box your numbers in. I have 3 numbers over here as well. So I cross those off, and I have 14. So my interquartile range is when I subtract those 2 numbers. So 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, I'm going to do a couple more to see if that makes it a little easier to understand. I am going to say, though, right now, the word of the day, we already wrote it up there, is median. Because we're finding a lot of medians today. Okay, on this next one, I'm going to go ahead and order those least to greatest as well. So I have 9, 10, then I have 18, 22, 23, 27, and 29. So we're going to start off the same way we did last time. I'm going to find the first median, the actual middle number, and I get 22. So now I'm going to find the median of these other 2 sides. So I'm going to cross off, and I see in the middle on this left side, the median of the first half is 10, and the median of the second half is 27. So I'm going to do 27 minus 10, and I get 17 as my interquartile range. So really we're finding 3 medians, and we're subtracting the outside 2 to get our interquartile range. I'm going to do one more down here at the bottom. I am going to order these. So I have 1, 1, 2. Then I have a 4. I have a 6. I have 3 7s. I have an 8, a 9, and a 16. So I'm going to cross off again. I'm going to find the middle number. This one has a few more than the last ones. 7. Then I'm going to find the median of this side over here. And if I look to the middle, I get 2. And if I look to the middle on this side, I get 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So remember, you're finding the median in the middle and then the median on both sides, and those 2 are what you're subtracting. If you have questions, pop in and let us know.